First GoPro video of my cruise. I'm here in the stateroom, checking it out. There's the bathroom with the shower. There's a closet here. See that? There's some different shelves, life vest, very important. Some nooks and some drawers. This is a refrigerator. And this is the room. Good sized bed. Little couch. I think that pulls out. And then the balcony. And the ship is just getting ready to disembark from Tampa, Port Tampa. Let's take a look at the view. There's one of the tugboats. Gorgeous day for a cruise. And yeah, it's a decent sized balcony. It's a nice room. I just need to get my luggage and I'll be ready. Completely ready.